Welcome to the in front of me Xiaomi 12, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So first you should just I'll show you that I set up my face recognition here a couple of seconds ago, and now I can unlock the device with my face here. So I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, and now there's 5. So as can you see, the face unlock feature works really fast, so we can unlock the device just less than half of a second, I think. And here is an interesting thing. I just set up my face recognition with the glasses, and now I'll try to unlock the device without the glasses, and as can you see, it's also unlocked normally and fast, just in the normal way. So if you just don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the fingerprint or just the pattern or pin code, you can just try to use the face unlock test, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcodes or pin codes here. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.